What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BKNG for Booking.com. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, they did release an earnings announcement after the bell today, so let's flip on the extended hours session here and see what's going on with the number. Looks like a fair bit of a bloodbath, noting the large-bodied red candle, a little bit of a dead cat bounce. I'll give it to him there, but nonetheless, as of right now, we are slated to be opening on a slight gap down, right? So we want to map out where the anticipated opening price is, today's low of day was, and the overnight low as of right now. Keep in mind, a lot can change, a lot can happen between now and 9:30, so adjust accordingly for the actual ringing of the bell. But these are the numbers that we want to focus on for now to implement our framework. So if we open here, scenario number one is always going to be the gap and trap, and what that looks like is a drive lower that fails to take out the overnight low. So basically failing to find new sellers there, people interested in selling either new money sellers or people ditching shares from up here. Nonetheless, failure to find new sellers around that level, trading long back up through the open for the gap to fill because there's a lack of sellers, correct? Up towards that 24.65. That's the upside trade here inside of Booking if we get a reversal tomorrow. The flip side of this coin is, of course, the gap and go. So this is scenario number two here, where we open here, put in a bearish pattern, could be above or right at the overnight low, basically looking for breakdowns into the overnight low. The reason I point that out is because we're slated to be opening slightly further away from that as opposed to closer to it. Also notice it was prior daily support. Let's just call it 2250 to the downside. That would be the first target, overnight low off of a bearish pattern on the open, or a breakdown. So let's just say that it does something like this and it's much faster to the overnight low, consolidation just above, anything that sets up a breakdown there. So it could be a descending triangle as well, right? Lower highs, flat lows. Breakdown of 2250 should take us closer to the next daily support, which is roughly 2100. Let's map that level out together. Yeah, 2111, okay? So off by just a couple bucks there, but nonetheless, you get the gist. Those are the two frameworks that I would use for Booking.com. Always interesting to remember that this one is such an expensive stock because it's never split, right? There's no splits in Booking.com. So we'll see if it'll ever come back down to earth with a stock split, but that's all I've got for you for the earnings play for tomorrow morning. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.